What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn the double unders crossovers. If you are new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick, or work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. This trick is an advanced trick that requires some level of strength, coordination and balance, so you should know how to do the basic double unders and crossovers jump rope trick. Don't worry, we'll have great tutorials linked down in the description below. So without further ado, let's see how it looks and get started.
To change your
Welcome to the double unders crossovers tutorial. This move is an advanced move that requires a lot of strength, coordination, and it's way similar to the crossovers. So if you haven't learned this crossovers jump rope trick proper, I advise you to check the link in the description below to get you rolling. This move is all about the upper body, and to carry out this move smoothly, you need the maximum flexibility of your upper body. So we should consider our sportswear. We should use sportswear that are not super tight to allow us that flexibility of the upper body. And we should carry a few stretches. You can see the few ones I've compiled here to help you guys get that maximum flexibility. Remember to carry out the stretches after each section of exercise. That's the best time to do your stretches. Another awesome hack to this move is the tilting of the upper body. You can tilt your upper body forward to get that maximum cross, making you perform this move smoothly without hitches. The easiest version of this move is the uncross and cross version of the double unders crossovers, and that's what we're learning here today. So to perform this move successfully, you need a loop of fast uncross and cross movement of your hands with powerful whip to make the rope pass through without tripping. That's what you require to carry out this move, guys. So watch from the video, you discover that when I'm jumping, I'm uncrossing. Before landing, I cross. This is the uncross and cross version of the double unders crossovers. Practice your hand movement correctly and you have nothing to worry about. You keep nailing this move like a pro. A perfect timing is essential to this move, and if we remember very well from our crossovers jump rope trick tutorial, we said we learn how to base our timing on our body because we can't really tell the rope's position in space. To base our timing here on our body, I'd like us to do a few things. One thing I'd like us to do is to learn the count based timing. To explain the count based timing, you simply do a 2 counts, and these 2 counts will work mostly on your hands. So when you are on air, you're uncrossing, and before you land, you've uncrossed. So you try to make these loops of counting like 1 2 1 2 with your hands. The 1 will be you uncrossing your hands, while the 2 will be you crossing your hands. In that way, while jumping, you'll be uncrossing, and before landing, you've uncrossed. So you make this loop of count 1 2 1 2. One of the most important aspects of this move is the entry. Entry is very important because it's the most tricky part of this move. Once you lose your entry, that means you cannot nail this move correctly. So I'd like to slow it down here to explain this entry very well. As a beginner, I advise you to enter this move from the basic double unders. Although double unders is an advanced trick, I do call it basic because I know it's the basic to this move. Once you don't learn the double unders before learning this move, it will be quite difficult for you to nail this. So talking about the entry correctly now, you see from this video, I started with the double unders. While doing the double unders, before you enter this move, your first cross from the double unders will be the second whip from the double unders. You know, double unders, you have to jump once, making the rope pass beneath your feet 2 times. So while in your double unders, you do 2 whips before reaching the ground. That's before landing with your feet. So this time, you shall tweak and try to insert your first cross before landing on the ground. So while jumping, you do your first whip, the basic double unders whip. Then before you land, you do your first cross. Then from that, you start using your loop and you enter this move with your uncross and cross loop. Remember to do your counting 1 2 1 2 1 2, and I assure you get this move correctly. So practice this timing and you have nothing to worry about with this move. Exit from this move is not so daunting. You can end it with the basic double unders, then enter a side swing or any other jump rope trick you want. To enter this move, use the basic double unders. Then to exit from this move, you can also use the basic double unders.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember,
Patient and right practice makes perfect. So, if you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to start skipping like a pro and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on our new content. Remain beautiful, be handsome, stay fit, and most importantly, be healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.